energizing, and it's so different and it's so refreshing. So it makes me really, really proud to be a part of this, and I welcome everybody, and thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. A little bit about why we chose Disha as the Westin brand ambassador. Westin is the brand for fitness with Marriott International. It is one of our 15 brands in the Marriott International Consortium in South Asia. And we have 9 Westin branded hotels in South Asia, in Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Dhaka, Kolkata, and 2 in New Delhi. And just a little bit on a snapshot of what the brand is about. The brand has a long history in being innovators, and they have a long history in being innovators in the space of wellness. It's also probably the only brand, Marriott International is the only international company that has actually propagated one of its brands to really fit into the space of well-being and fitness. And around the world today, we're seeing travelers who are really realigning their properties in making well-being and fitness and health really a priority for themselves. And Westin as a brand is really proud to empower its guests in this quest. Also, wellness and fitness is an integral part of the Westin brand's DNA. We've curated a lot of experiences, a lot of touch points. When the guest embarks on his or her journey with the Westin brand, we want all of these experiences and all of these touch points to really engage with the guest, just so he feels empowered and he feels really energized to lead a healthy lifestyle when he's traveling with the Westin brand. Because as we all know, if you're on the road, if you're a business traveler, it's really, really hard to keep up with that regime. It's really hard to pack in those shoes in that tiny little bag that you would not probably check in. And Westin really empowers you to make sure that you're not missing out on your workout regime, you're eating right, and you're sleeping well. We believe Disha is really the right brand ambassador to sort of embody and symbolize everything that Westin really stands for in the wellness space. And she's really the perfect fit to influence our guests and really inspire them to lead that lifestyle. Now, I'll just give you a little bit about the whole wellness program. The whole Westin concept of wellness is actually divided into 6 pillars. So, which is eat well, move well, sleep well, feel well, work well, play well. And all our brand initiatives, all our marketing initiatives, as well as the touch points within every Westin branded hotel that you stay in actually amplifies those 6 pillars. Also, in 2017, Westin took this concept a step further, and we launched a campaign called Let's Rise Globally. And this brand campaign really takes on the disruptions, the distractions, and the unpredictability of travel. And it empowers travelers to really embrace well-being in a way that they can regain control of their routine and be the best version of themselves. Disha, I'm sure she's going to come up soon, as the new brand advocate for the Westin brand. She's going to really take on this Let's Rise concept. She's going to share her insights into what holistic wellness means to her, which is encompassing fitness, great nutrition, as well as what's the secret behind her beautiful figure. As part of this partnership, we're very proud that we're going to launch a 3-part video series around the 3 pillars of eat well, move well, and sleep well. And these are going to really visualize and enable our guests to envision the enhanced concept of Westin. And we'll be playing those for you. We'll be launching them. This is going to be the first time they're going to launch them with you all very shortly. And lastly, I'd just like to really touch upon why we really do the brand advocate program globally and what is it that really makes us choose the right fit for this particular brand. And we'd like to have a person whose approach to living aligns itself to the pillars. And it's also a very innovative way that a hospitality brand can really transcend the philosophy of wellness and the lifestyle of its guests and enable them and propel them to lead healthier lifestyles. So with that said, it gives me great pleasure to introduce and welcome Disha Patni on stage. share a few words with us on this association. So, Disha, over to you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for that sweet intro. Well, I hope you guys are having fun. And with Westin, well, I'm really, really lucky and fortunate because health and fitness is something that I really do believe in. And I do believe that, you know, a person needs to be healthy more than anything, more than the way you look or more than the, you know, more than the things that you do. And that's what Westin believes in. And they believe in keeping the guests healthy and fit. As she said, the 3 pillars, which are eat well, sleep well, and move well. As you can see, I'm really enjoying my move well thing. And they've got some great gyms. I remember going to Pune last week, and I really enjoyed the gym there. They have great equipments, and usually when I travel, I don't find great equipments in the gym in most of the hotels. You have to try the sweets, the bakery counter that they have there. I just checked it out. They've got the amazing food. Talking about sweet, I'll also talk about the healthy food, which is the Asian cuisine and the other kinds of food. I think it's a great combo to have health and taste mixed well together, and that's what they really believe in. They give you the best tasting food with full health, and you have this thing called a superfood as well, right?
Yes, we do. Yes.
Yeah, the superfoods which are all healthy and everything. So I think it's very important for anyone who's traveling out of their home, out of their house, to get a treatment where they feel cozy and happy and they feel healthy. You know, they can get that homemade kind of food which is healthy and nice. The sleep well, I don't know if you saw my video properly. When I was lying down in that bed, I was
Heavenly
actually
bed.
sleeping.
Yeah, heavenly bed.
It's called as Heavenly Bed, and it was so comfortable. I actually passed out while the director was shooting me. So yeah, these are the things that I really love about Westin, and I'm very, very, very happy and grateful that I'm a part of something which thinks like me and which thinks about the health of people and health of the guests. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful.
Disha. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lisa, over to you.
Much. You look amazing. You give us some major fitness goals, wellness goals, and all of that. Both of you, stunning women, such perfect role models and ambassadors for everything we're talking about. And now, on that note, we have a really exciting wellness workshop for all of us to participate in. I'd like to invite on stage wellness expert and Zumba instructor Padmavati Iyengar. And I'm going to take my place in the front row. I hope all of you guys will really get into it. I think this is going to be a lot of fun.
Hey guys, good evening. Really, is that the energy we have? Good evening, guys.
Hey!
Okay. You know what? So, what we're going to do here for the next 10, 15 minutes is move well. We're going to do something called Zumba. Anyone here that's done Zumba before? Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it anyway, right? So, my name is Padmavati Iyengar. I am a licensed Zumba fitness instructor. I'll be conducting the session for the next 10 minutes now. What I would want you all to do is move. Please get up your seats. And all of you gather here, please. Everyone. Is anyone allowed to sit here? No? No? Yeah? Come. Guys, you all have 10 seconds. Let's see how well you can move. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I see people like walking and thinking, okay, whether we should do it or not do it. You're here, guys. You might as well do something fun, right? Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you. You're the one. Okay, can we all spread out, please? Can we all please spread out? It's going to be fun. I'll make sure that it's a lot of fun. Anyone here that likes dancing? Okay, I see this. No, I don't think everyone likes dancing. This is not I like. If I like something, I'm going to do this. Do you like dancing? Yes. Awesome, perfect. So that's exactly what we're going to do. It's going to be very, very, very simple. It's not going to be a choreographed dance. What you have to do, although, is just copy me, okay? Just copy me. Let's do like this little drill. Whatever I do, you do, okay? Can I get an okay? Okay. Okay, you know what? Say hey! 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 Okay, everybody's just like shy, okay. No problem. Just copy me, okay? Whatever I do, you do. not yet, not yet, Gautam. Just hold on, please. Thank you. Hey!
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 Loosen up a little, guys. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Not just that, it's going to be on music. So I'm not going to be talking.
Thanks so much, Padmavati. That was amazing. Disha, that was so hot. That was amazing. I want to just inform everyone that there will be a photo op at the end as well. And so we also have a Q&A before the final photo op. All right, I'd like to invite on stage Ms. Kushnuma Kapadia. Once again, I'd like to request Disha to please just stay for a few minutes for a Q&A with Kushnuma. And if you guys have any questions about the association with Disha and Westin or about the wellness programs here, they'd both be more than happy to answer them now. Thank you. Guys, so do we have any questions for Disha or Kushnuma? If we do, we have just a few minutes that they can answer that in. Any questions? Any questions? I think everyone enjoyed that Zumba so much, they just want to get back to
in case you
dancing.
want to ask any questions, I'm around and Disha's around, and so please feel free to ask us anything that you'd like to know. Thank you very much, and thank you everybody for joining us. It's been a real pleasure, and thank you for being such a sporting audience today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's give Westin and Kushnuma and Disha all a big round of applause. I think this was such a fun afternoon. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Thank you. And there's refreshments outside as well, so please do stay with us. Please do enjoy yourselves and connect with Disha and Kushnuma. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is so fun. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Well, I'm just...
Kushnuma, I just need your shoulder. Slightly, come a step ahead. Yeah.
पहले इनके साथ रहते हैं, फिर एक बाइट आप साथ में कर लें। ठीक है देवदत्त? साथ में कर लें। ठीक है। लाइट नहीं ले, थोड़ा आगे चले जाओ। थोड़ा आगे लाइट लगा सर आप इधर आ जाइए।
चलिए सर जी। थैंक यू। जी 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 बहुत अच्छा रहा। 3 चीज़ों पे हमने काम किया है, ईट वेल, स्लीप वेल, मूव वेल। स्लीप वेल मेरा बेस्ट था क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली सो रही थी, वो इतना कंफर्टेबल था बेड। और खाना बहुत आपने ट्राई किया नहीं है मुझे पता नहीं, बट खाना बहुत अच्छा है इधर का। और तीसरा जो है मूव वेल, जो मैं बहुत फॉलो करती हूँ, जिम करती हूँ, डांसिंग पसंद है मुझे, एंड जस्ट लाइक फीलिंग हैप्पी व्हेन यू डांस। सो ये 3 चीज़ों पे काम किया है। और वेस्टर्नों में एक ही चीज़ पे बिलीव करते हैं कि हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हेल्दी रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन है। आई थिंक बिलीविंग इन द ब्रांड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आप कुछ ऐसी चीज़ को आप उसके साथ एसोसिएट नहीं हो सकते जिस पे आप बिलीव ही नहीं करते हो। तो बहुत लकीली आपको एक चांस मिलता है कि आप जिस चीज़ पे बिलीव करते हो आपको उसके साथ एसोसिएशन मिले। और वेस्टर्नों में बहुत साथ एक जैसा सोचते हैं, एंड आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क विद वेस्टर्न, व्हिच इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ब्रांड्स हियर। जी सबको पसंद है, सब इंस्टा करते हैं। जी
कितना अच्छा लगता है जब इस तरह से लोगों का प्यार भी इंस्टा से मिलता है आपको, और वीडियोस भी हम देखते हैं आपके।
अच्छा थैंक यू। थैंक यू वीडियो देखने के लिए। बहुत अच्छा लगता है। क्योंकि आई डोंट नो, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी ग्रेटफुल, बहुत लकी हूँ कि लोग मेरी वीडियोस देखते हैं, तो थैंक यू सो मच।
यू आर अ लकी इन बॉलीवुड जो अमूमन हम देखते हैं जो काफ़ी स्ट्रगल करते हैं, यू आर वेरी लकी टू हैव अ हिट फिल्म।
जी,
डू यू फील दैट
आई एम वेरी लकी, आई एम वेरी लकी, आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद गॉड, फैमिली की मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली एक्टर बनने की, उसके बाद मेरी फिल्म्स अच्छा कर रही है, तो मैं बहुत लकी हूँ। बस मेहनत करना चाहती हूँ और काम करना चाहती हूँ।
बैलेंस, ये जो 6 पिलर्स हैं जो आपने सबसे अच्छा बैलेंस का तरीका आपका क्या होगा या क्या होना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ सोचते हैं?
बैलेंस मतलब
सब कि कितना स्लिप करना है, कितना वर्क करना है, कितना ये करना है?
वो आपका बॉडी, जब आपका बॉडी थक गया तो आप रुक जाओ, जब आपको भूख लगे खा लो, जब आपको नींद आ रही आप सो जाओ, तो जो आपकी बॉडी बोले आप वो करो। आई थिंक वो एक सबसे बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन है।
जिम ज़्यादा करके जिम जाना काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद है, आपको भी ऐसा?
जिम जाना किसी को पसंद नहीं है, पर एक नेसेसिटी है, नीड है, और एक पॉइंट के बाद एक्चुअली जिम जाना नहीं जाना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, आपका एक लाइफस्टाइल हो जाता है कि आप डेली जाके अपने बॉडी पे काम कर रहे हो, आप वर्क कर रहे हो, आप वेट उठा रहे हो ताकि आप स्ट्रांग बन रहे हो, तो वो दिमाग आपका शिफ्ट हो जाता है बॉडी से स्ट्रेंथ पे।
बात करते हैं जब हम देखते हैं फिटनेस, जब ज़्यादा बॉडी फिगर ज़्यादा करके स्पोर्ट्स में काफ़ी उनका इंटरेस्ट
जी
होता है।
जी जी,
आपका क्या है?
मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलती हूँ, और मैं जब छोटी थी मैं स्टेट लेवल खेलती थी, तो अभी तो खैर बंद हो गया है, बट ट्राई करती हूँ, कभी टाइम मिले, कुछ लोग मिले खेलने के लिए, तो अभी भी खेल लेती हूँ।
और जैसे मैंने कहा
जी,
and now you are coming with a T-series also Bharat.
ओके,
पहले साजिद नाडियाडवाला and now Bharat. What do you want to say? Like Salman also was there.
जी 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 जी, बहुत लकी हूँ, जैसे आपने बोला, बस लक चल रहा है और भगवान का और फैमिली का प्यार है, जो आई एम गेटिंग वर्क। बस मेहनत पे आई थिंक दुनिया बेस्ड है, मेहनत करोगे तो अच्छा होगा।
Whom you see fit in Bollywood besides Tiger?
ओके,
Fitness पे पूछो.
नहीं, आप फिटनेस पे नहीं।
Last question was fitness.
मैं मैरिड हूँ।
Sure.
So we go on last question and then
Yeah.
they would like to talk about the association. That's the last question.
So like
What do you want to say about Disha? Is there
I think she's just,
option than Disha?
there is no better option than Nisha, which is why we have her as our brand ambassador. And like I mentioned, earlier when I addressed the media, she's really the perfect fit for this particular brand and to really amplify the concept of wellness. Just look at her. She's so beautiful. She's so fit. And she's really an avid fitness enthusiast. And she's really the right kind of person we want, who can advocate this concept, who can and who can create that kind of inspiration for our guests to lead healthier lives. And so we're really proud to have her on board, and we're really excited with all the initiatives that we're going to do with Disha. So Disha, welcome into our family, and she's just going to be the best fit for the Western brand. Thank you.
Disha, whom you see fit in a Bollywood beside Tiger?
who's fit? All the actors are fit.
Everybody is fit.
They all are fit. They all are good looking. I can't say.
Thank you so much.
No, that's fine. Don't put
They
her
all
on the
are
spot,
good. Yeah,
please.
don't
Yeah.
put me.
मैम एक मिनट मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम पीछे एक मिनट जरा एक मिनट एक मिनट कितने जा रही थी